hear you.
Algorithm. Wow. Hello, welcome back, Yappers, to another episode of Yapping Club. And I'm your club president, Olukagba Joshua. And this also happens to be the third episode of our new series, Departmental Sheges. If you were around last week, you know that we dealt with statistics department. And before our guest last week left, he suggested that the next department we're going to interview would be from computer science, which also happens to be the department that I was transferred from to MTS. So I found a computer scientist to drill so I know what I'm missing out on. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I'm Marvellous Ogunode.
Hey,
I'm a
Marvellous.
300 level computer science student of FUTA, and I'm a programmer.
You're a programmer?
Yes, I'm a programmer.
Which language do you program?
Any major language.
Any major language?
Yes.
So you're telling me you are fluent in more than 3 different languages, or more than 2 different languages?
I will say up to 10.
Up to 10?
Yeah, if I remove the frameworks, I will say up to 10.
Can you mention 5?
Okay. The very basic ones are Python and JavaScript. That's what mostly everybody knows.
Yeah.
Yes, then
I want to know JavaScript once.
yeah, you can learn it. But then most people tend to forget JavaScript quickly.
Yeah.
So
I think that was what I struggle with a lot. Like forgetting and remembering. I have to go back to YouTube and try to use it and refresh my memory. But okay, continue.
Yeah, I've also worked with C programming language. So yes. Sorry. So if I'm working majorly with operating system projects or school projects, because computer science we kind of do C. Like last semester we did C programming. So if I'm working with C project and operating system projects or projects that are like very big, I cannot work with C. Then also I also use Rust. So I use Rust majorly for blockchain projects because I also work with the blockchain.
You work in blockchain too?
Yes, I work with the blockchain, and I use Solidity. Solidity is for blockchain. So there are a lot of them actually, but I just focus on some. Yeah,
wow. Hey, come and pour your brain into my head. Come and pour something inside my head, Marvellous. Before we even go deep, all this programming language, did you learn it in school or you learned it on your own?
Okay, so before I came to FUTA, I already learned web development. So the way I took everything was taking it step by step. So I wanted to be very good at most of it, but I couldn't learn it once.
At once,
So the way these programming languages work they're like a stepping stone for the next one. So if you learn one, you can easily learn the next one. Then you learn the next one. So when you get to that next one, you don't need to learn everything. It doesn't need to build on what you have learned previously. Yes, that's just what I use for most of the languages. So it's just moving from what I didn't know to improving and improving to the next thing.
I'm impressed. I'm seriously impressed.
Thank you.
So before we go into the full episode, I don't want to. I know that this episode might be released a few days after today, but I want to take this opportunity to shout out our video editor who is celebrating his birthday today. Our dearly beloved brother that edits this video. Please don't cut this out of the episode. It must be there. If it's not there, you should comment in the section. You can't even know. Anyways, we wish you a big happy birthday. More money to your pocket. So shall leave us alone. Alright. So, like I said, this is a new series where we're interviewing students across different departments to get like a feel or know what it feels like to be in that department. And the department for today is computer science. I was transferred there. You pay me, but I want to know what I'm missing out on. So here we go. Marvellous. Did you always know you wanted to study computer science or just happened to stumble into it?
Okay, so this is how everything went. When I was in GS3, that was when you're trying to enter secondary school, senior secondary school.
You see that
You
you
want
pick
to say
science.
science, arts, and all that. So I wanted to pick banking and finance then. And the reason I didn't actually have a major reason. I just felt people were not much there, so
Oh, you don't want too much competition.
yeah, not really competition. I just wanted to do something nobody else was actually doing. Yes, so that's why I wanted to pick banking and finance. But then my dad was like, no, don't really go yet because technology is very moving so and all that. So he suggested I pick engineering or computer science or software engineering. So on my plan up to SS2 was that I was going to study software engineering from
SS1.
from
And that's
SS1.
SS2. I've never known what I want to do in my
Yeah,
life. I'm
so
just going through class.
actually, since 2020, I've been coding since 2020. It was during this lockdown.
I didn't even know that code existed that time.
Lockdown. Then I had this app on my phone. I used to write code. So that was just majority.
Well, you had a phone by 2020.
It wasn't a good phone actually, but it was a phone I could use.
Are you hearing? See someone at the game for early, he's living a better life than me. He's coding.
Yeah. When I was about to write jam, my dad was like, I should consider picking computer science because they view it as the broader path to technology.
Okay.
Yes, because software engineering you find it under computer science and cybersecurity, other areas. So people consider it as okay, if you study this, you are like a generalist, or something like that. So that's why I actually picked computer science. But then I had it in mind that I was coming to Futa to write code.
Wait. You only say you wanted to come to Futa. I forgot to ask this question.
I didn't really know. Although from SS2, I knew I was either going to pick Futa or another tech university because I knew I was going to tech. But I didn't really know it was Futa exactly. It was when I wanted to try jump that I knew it was going to be Futa. Yes. So it was when I wanted to write jump that announced and my dad asked me to put in computer science. Yeah, but then I just put it because I was thinking everybody was going to write in code, whether software engineering, whether computer science. So fast forward to when I came to Futa, I met a 300 level student, and the first thing he asked me was that why did you pick computer science? And I couldn't answer that question. I couldn't answer because I came here to code, but then I didn't really know exactly why I picked computer science. I didn't know what computer science was about. I just know it was tech. Everybody was doing tech, and then everybody was doing computer science. So it was then I actually now realized that computer science, our work is not majorly around or centered around coding. Yes, so that's what most people think. That's why most people, when they come to study computer science and second year they're doing mathematics, study that mathematics, they are saying, what are they teaching us in this school and all that. But then the work of computer science majorly is centered around how the computer works. So we are going to do more of data work, more of operating systems, more of human computer interaction, more of AI. So the coding part of it and then design and all of that with more of the software engineering part. So even currently in SOC we have I think 6 departments. Each of them have areas that they are specializing in. For example now cybersecurity is more of cybersecurity and software security and other stuff. And then information technology, they are more of the infrastructure part of tech. Information systems, more of the people systems and all that in tech. And then I think we have data science. They just introduce the course. So data science is more of just understanding data and basic people that understand the language of data. So those are like the areas. So I would say the major reason I would say now the reason I would give why I'm studying computer science because I feel it gives me a very good understanding of how the computer works generally.
So it will be true that to say that you like your department.
I like my department.
You're enjoying it.
Not like I'm enjoying it, but
I want to be sure.
Not like I'm enjoying it, but I like it.
What about it that you're not enjoying?
Broad courses.
MTS, I mean.
MTS and statistics.
Yes, we'll pepper you.
But then those are like the major works too. Because in statistics, there are a lot of work in statistics that actually the basic work of computer science. So you have to do those courses. That's what makes it interesting too.
Some optimistic. So it's because what you thought it would be. You have not clarified that.
Yeah, it wasn't. What I thought I was coming to school and to doing that was writing code. I knew that we were going to do like mathematics in under level, basically general courses. But what I thought was in under level was going to the lab, the stuff. And what even made me have that thinking was there was a video I watched on Twitter's website. They were in the lab and then they wore all white clothes and they were doing the stuff. Yeah. So that was one of the things that also motivated me for computer science.
Okay.
I thought so.
Oh, my opponents have been deceived.
So if you're going to study computer science, I just know you're not writing much code for you.
Nice. So I sent out like a link.
Okay.
A Google Form link for people to send in questions. Though people did not reply me, I think we're going to read out some of those questions to you.
Okay.
We're going to be answering it. Go present my network work. Not be funny. So this person calls himself Toby, as in Thobee. I think it's Toby. So this question is: how many times do you actually operate a computer in a system? I think inside class. How many times do you operate a computer in system?
Okay, since we've resumed school till now, we have not used any in a class. We have not used computer in a class, but then there are some courses that have practicals. So go to the lab. So for example, now CSE 201, CSE 202. You go to the lab to practice.
You think you should wear lab coat to lab?
Yes.
I don't know why we're wearing lab coat to computer lab. I don't know. I don't know.
Actually, every lab you actually need to wear coats to the lab.
Even with computer lab.
Yes.
We should wear coat.
Yeah, the major reason is also you don't stain your clothes or you don't.
What want to stain my clothes in a computer lab?
Ink, anything to stain your clothes.
Which ink? Ink from the computer?
Ink from anywhere. Anything, majorly just for to
protect yourself for your clothes.
Yes.
Okay.
For your clothes.
Sharon has come again.
And okay, can I say something?
Yeah.
Also because of dressing. Yes, most people when they are allowed to wear normal clothes to the lab, they don't dress well. So that was actually one of the reasons.
Okay, your fashion sense. Do better.
Yeah, do better.
Thank you. So this person calls himself Sharon. Why do they always throw your supposed departmental people into other departments?
Okay, so
that question feels personal. Why? Why didn't you people say from CSE? Why?
Okay, so why? When everybody wants to, when like for example, if everybody is coming to Vita or any major university, they have courses that they are going for. So either they are going for computer science or they are going for engineering courses, they are going for medicine. Many of them don't even know that some other courses exist in Futa. So the no demand and supply. So when there's a lot of people demanding, there has to be so you have to like cut off people, and then it has to be the top ranking guys that gets to be part of the top courses. So it would be the same if those courses that are not recognized are the ones people are applying for. So that's just it.
But you cannot really blame us now. It's what there are jobs for that we are applying to.
Yeah.
Hey, what I want to do
yeah, you can. There's a lot of work you can do in mathematics.
Give me one. Apart from teaching.
You can do. You can do
work anywhere.
You can actually work anywhere. You can work anywhere.
There's a lot.
Even in computer science, you can actually work in mathematics. For example, now the AI you are seeing every day. The very basic form is mathematics and statistics. So AI you are seeing operation research to solving reward problems.
Yeah.
Also, there's a lot of stuff actually. Basically, the computer itself actually comes from mathematics. Some very basic stuff in computer comes from mathematics.
Alright. So, present question I'm not finished. What do you plan to use your degree for?
Okay, so you're assuming that I actually want to use my degree for something. So, but then I won't say I currently have
a
career degree with my degree, a career aspiration for my degree. But if I'm to use my degree for anything, then most likely to apply for a master's program or for a PhD program. But what I'm depending on for a career path is my skills. So I'm currently going towards quantitative finance.
Quant?
Yeah, quant finance.
I know quant.
Yes, so that's why
I like money.
Yeah. I like money.
I like money. Who does not like money? Why do you want to be poor? You can't. Nah, nobody wants to be poor.
Yeah, so
nice. I'm covering. I wrote my questions down. But even before we even go to my questions, like, what do you have any fear of AI ever replacing you guys?
I don't.
That's major controversy that is going on.
Yeah, so
very soon, not in computer sciences anymore.
I won't say you won't need computer sciences anymore. I will just say when you are looking at the problem of AI, you don't look at it from one side. You want to look at it from a very bigger angle.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can say, okay, if AI takes this job will actually come out from somewhere because the money has to go somewhere. So if you are thinking of it as software engineers, you don't have to pay software engineers anymore because AI can write code. Then that money has to go somewhere else. Maybe people that are maintaining the system, or the hardware guys, or people that are producing the AIs themselves, people selling software. So those are the career paths. So I just feel jobs will come out, jobs will go, but then AI won't really shift much. It will shift a lot of stuff, but about jobs, it will just be about creation and removal of some jobs. So that's just it. So I'm not really afraid of AI.
Because even speaking of jobs, you guys are afraid, like, that, the tech is really getting oversaturated.
It's oversaturated.
It's really oversaturated.
Okay, so
out of 10, you arrange 10 people, 8 of them are they're into tech.
So it depends. If you look at it from a very bigger view, from the top side, you will see everybody is doing it, so it's oversaturated.
Yeah.
But then when you get into the work and give them the work and say, okay, do this stuff, then you realize there's only people that understand the real stuff.
Okay.
So that's just it.
I like that. Back to school. Which course have you offered so far that you enjoy in CSC?
I enjoy in CSC. I can't remember any course that I enjoy, but I would say. Let me think.
Alright, CS1. What do we even do in CS1? I can't even remember.
CS1 and 2 was on. There was not much work in CS1 and 2.
Was it not PHP?
No, CS1 and 2 was basic programming. Visual Basic.
Visual Basic. Yeah.
Yes. So So the course I would say was the most interesting would be Human Computer Interaction, CSC 206. Yes.
What's it about?
Basically, just interaction between computer system, human beings, software. So.
When we offered CSC, in MTS, when we did the exam, it was CBT. So they're asking us to actually, okay, is this code correct? Like that. Your exams, you people write code on paper.
You write code on paper. Yeah, either you write code or you write pseudo code on paper or you write an example. Yes.
How do you debug on paper?
You don't debug, you just know it.
You just know it, just calm down.
Yes, it depends. If you write the past question and then they brought it out in the exam, that's when you can say, okay, you can just paste it how you crammed it. But then it doesn't understand the logic, so if they ask you, okay, write a code to add two numbers, you just say, okay, this is the code based on what you understand. Or for example, now, we did C programming last semester, and then there was a question we asked. It was about socket programming. So it wasn't like the normal code you were write because he was using a particular package in C. So a lot of us had problems with it, but it was in a past question. So people that read the past questions were the ones that cram and pasted it.
Smart. Anyways, guys, I want to go on a little break. We'll be back shortly. I hope you guys enjoyed the little short break that we gave you. Well, you cannot even know, say, we join our course together. So now we want to play a fun game. Well, it will be fun for us. I don't know if it will be fun for you. We want to play a fun game, cipher and decipher, because that's what we're going to call it. So we are going to like scramble computer sciences terms, and then we'll try to decipher it in 30 seconds. Then we'll go and set my timer. And let's see if all that brain capacity can be transferred to little games. You know how to have fun, Marvellous.
Yeah, sure.
That's sure you know how to have fun. Because your own definition of fun, I like that. It's work. My phone is angry. Jesus Christ. Come and code. Wait. Marvellous. Fast. Why did my phone lag?
There's a lot of stuff on it. And maybe your brain, for example, your RAM is not that much. So if you are trying to do a lot of stuff on your phone, the RAM that actually handles, and what's it called? What is being currently processed.
Okay.
It's trying to do a lot of stuff at the same time and holding a lot of stuff at the same time. So when that space is full, it tries to shift it to the memory.
So you tell me I should get a new phone.
With a bigger RAM.
With a bigger RAM.
Yeah.
Okay, I have to
and a better processor too.
Yeah, that's true. So you go first.
Okay.
You have 30 seconds.
Code. Yeah.
That was too simple.
that was simple.
That was too simple. Yeah. Hey!
Bye.
Hey! Was it my own?
Okay, it was you, me.
It was, yeah, you're going to be returning to it.
Okay.
But yeah, that was bonus. That was bonus. Bye. Yeah. No. I know this one. What is this? What is this?
Is it English term or code term?
Yeah. Computer science term.
Okay.
LOCUD.
Can I give me hints or something?
There's no way. There's no damn way. About 1,000 seconds not pass like this. You know the answer.
Cloud. Okay, so the cloud, the very basic thing about the cloud is where you store information.
You know, when I was young, I actually really in the cloud.
No, a teacher told us something about a IT student. So they asked him, what did you do in his IT? And he was like, he works with cloud computing. So they asked him that, what is the cloud? And he said, cloud in the heavens. Yeah. So, but then the cloud is basically just.
It's not like it's.
So if a very good example is all of us, we have information that we can use our laptops to do. So either we just put it on a particular big computer somewhere, maybe in the US or in Dubai or any other place. So that computer, anybody from anywhere in the world has access to it, and then it actually has space and a particular computer assigned to a particular stuff. So they for software programs
and everything
and stuff. So,
when we came up with that cloud thing, that's smart. That's good. It's the time now. I have an idea of what this is.
Program.
Whoever said this game.
You can check. I'm not sure.
This program.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
It's like, hey, database.
Yeah.
You cannot whine me. You need to be whine. I need to be whine.
Software.
Where's software?
Software.
Yeah, that makes sense. Hey, computing. Hey! You cannot whine me. I feel like I know this one.
I'm trying to look for what can be this.
Should I go? I already got it.
Okay, you.
I'll go read it.
Wow. I was that.
What do you think it was? What do you think it was?
I didn't think it was going to be the start.
Hey, what's this?
Programming.
I was supposed to do my own.
Yeah, but then.
Yeah, it's programming.
Yeah. So.
It's agreed that you won. I mean, let's clap for it. So, you guys should not fret. Kuta is training good computer scientists. Or maybe this is the best of the best. We have not done. I'm trying. That reminds me. How is the relationship with your departmental mates?
I would say it's good. Although they don't like me because I ask too much questions. I won't say they don't like me, but I
want to answer questions at the end of class.
No, they understand. They see the way they don't understand. But then I ask a lot of questions, and not everybody likes questions. So. They don't like class questions, or just questions generally.
Why do you like to ask questions?
I just like to ask questions. I don't really have the reason.
Guys. Before you go, do you have like a favorite lecturer in your own department? Me, because the lecturers that I have met in years.
Yeah, they're actually good people. They are good people.
Yeah,
my best lecturer, I won't say I'm the best lecturer, but the lecturer that I enjoyed the most initially.
Yeah, I've heard good things about your lecturer. This is true. Is he? The whitest. Anyways.
Yeah, I enjoy his class major. I won't say I enjoy it. I won't say I don't enjoy it, and I also enjoy it. But to rank it, then he's the one I enjoy the most.
Wow! Shout out to him. You want to shout out to him? I don't think
a very big shout out to my HOD, Dr. Festo Sociolali.
Thank you for your service to humanity. For being a fun lecturer, a good lecturer. We appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So, Emmanuel, before we go, which department would you like for us to interview next? Which department do you feel like?
Which department have you interviewed already?
I don't know, mathematics and statistics.
Okay. I want to target the departments I don't like.
I didn't mention the department you don't like. I want to answer this. Architecture?
Yeah.
These are things we have to find, but yeah. I'm good at my job. I'm going to get them. I'm going to get one. I'm going to get one on this show.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for being here with us, Marvellous. I really enjoyed this conversation. I hope you did too.
I enjoyed this stuff.
So do you have like a social media you want them to reach out to you? Maybe Instagram?
So I'm on Twitter. Reach out to me on Twitter. And go to Tiwa Script. Tiwa Script is my social media name. So on Twitter, on Instagram, Tiwa Script. On LinkedIn, my name is Marvellous Ogunode, so you can search for me on LinkedIn and connect with me on LinkedIn.
It's on LinkedIn.
So,
what is it on LinkedIn? What do people do here?
People lie on LinkedIn.
Yeah. People can brag. That's good. People want to go and throw something like that. As I was saying something like that, I keep my nigga, move out of here, Jerry. Anyways.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You guys know what to do. Please go and like, share, subscribe. You know what we say? If you have not subscribed, you're a hater. You are a hater and God will judge you. So please subscribe and have a lovely week. Bye.